Hello friends, welcome back. I am Suhail Khan, CCNA, CCNP and Python programming trainer, and you are watching Cisco Expert channel because if you want to become an expert, learn from expert. So today in this video, we are into lecture number 28 and we are going to learn about the netting. Okay, so I have already explained you the process of netting and all. So today in this video, we are going to focus on the net. All right. So this is in the new CCNA 200.3.0.20.3 All right. And this is the syllabus. So as per the syllabus, we are doing this. Okay. Under the part 4 of IP services, our first practical is configure and verify inside source net using static and pools. All right. So today in this video, I'm going to show you each and everything about the netting and all. So I am making this video in a part. So don't forget to watch the next. All right. And don't forget to watch the video till the end because we are going as per the syllabus of new CCNA 200.3.0.1. And one important thing, how to go to my channel. Okay, just go to Cisco, just go to YouTube and type Cisco Expert. This is the name of my channel. Again, this will take you to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notification. Here you will get all the videos. Okay, so let's start the video with the practical. So this is our topology for netting. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this type of topology because many of my students don't know how to make the topology, and as I promise you that I'm going to show you each and everything from very scratch. So we will start by making the topology. Okay, all right. And for online training you can contact me. This is my contact detail and this is my email ID. I give 200% expertization guarantee. All right. So in this lecture I'm going to show you how to make this topology. All right, so let's start the video. Okay, so what to do? So let's say we have to take 3 computers. You can take many computers, but right now I'm taking only 3 computers. Okay, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to make the topology for static net as per the Cisco syllabus. This is the Cisco syllabus under section 4, configuring and verifying inside source net and pools. All right, now so I have taken the 3 PC. Now take the one switch which is 2960. Okay, and take 2 routers, and I will show you how to make changes in the router, like how to change the image of the router and all. So let's take it to 8201 and to 811. All right, so now what I want to do is, okay, first I will make the connectivity between the switches and the router. So here's the connection symbol and I'm selecting the straight cable. All right, okay, so I'm connecting PC to switch because this is my internal network. All right, and my internal network, this is my internal network, and my internal network is connected with ISP. Okay, so let's say it is my internet service provider, and my internet service provider is connected with internet. So what I'm going to do this, okay, see, this is my internet service provider and this is the internet. So my internet service provider is connected to internet. In the theory part I have explained you this. Okay, so what we have to do, so I want to connect the serial link now. So to connect the serial link I have to insert the serial port. So I will off the router. I scroll down. This WIC2T is the serial port. Just drag it into the port number 1 and on the router. Many students forget this point to on the router. Okay, so don't forget this thing. All right, now again I will go to this router, off the router. All right, and I will just drag it and on the router again. Now I will connect this serial cable which is DCE1 serial 3/0. All right, and 3/0. Okay, so I have connected the link, but what I want to do now, so I'm just, for your information, I'm just writing everything like what is the thing is there. So this is my internet service provider. All right. This is my internet service provider, and my internet service provider is connected to internet. So this is my internet. Okay. And this is my internet, and this is the connection which my service provider provided to me. Okay, so whenever your service provider provides a connection to any client, so that connection is private. So here service provider gives me the private IP address. Let's say it is 10.0.0.1/8. All right, and I have another computer which is at 10.0.0.2/8. Okay, and I have another computer which is at 10.0.0.3/8. All right. Now my default gateway will be default DFG, means default gateway, 10.0.0.10 and /8. Okay. Now the default gateway of my computer is the default gateway of my router, right? It's the IP address of my router, 10.0.0.10/8. Now between internet service provider and the internet, the public IP address is configured. So let me configure the public IP address, which is 193.168.1.1/24. All right. So 193 is a public IP address. And on internet, I have an IP address which is called 193.168.1.2/24. Okay. And one more thing, many students ask me the question how to change the symbol. So I have already downloaded the image. So see how to change the image into the cloud. Just click on the router, go to customize a logical view, and I have an image on my desktop, okay, of a cloud image. I have already downloaded from the Google. Okay, see this image, this image. So just click on the image. You have to just download it from Google, any image. All right, and open. So now the view is changed. See, it is look like internet. All right. Now I have to give the IP address as well, because in this video my focus is to show you how to make the topology, because many of my students don't know how to make the topology. So for your kind information, I'm creating this practical for you. Okay, now give IP address to the computer, because I'm teaching everything right from the scratch. 10.0.0.1, and this is a private IP address. Gateway is 10.0.0.10. Right? I will again go to my another computer. 10.0.0.2. Gateway will be 10.0.0.10. This is also a private IP address. I will go to the third computer. 10.0.0.3, and gateway will be 10.0.0.10. All right. Now I want to configure this router, and I have a 2-port fast Ethernet and serial port. Okay, and I want to give host name as an internet service provider. So you just have to go to the router and type no, enable, configure terminal, host name internet service provider, interface fast Ethernet 0/0, IP address 10.0.0.10.255.0.0.0, because it is /8, right? And I will give command no shutdown. That's it. So I have this ports become up now. Now I want to give IP address to my serial port. All right. So I have to exit from here. Okay. In real time, you can directly go from interface to interface, but in Cisco packet tracer, you have to exit from this port. All right. Interface serial 0/3/0, IP address 193. It is a public IP address, right? Because this is service provider connection towards the internet. So we are giving a public IP address, right? So 193.168.1.1, and it is 24. So 255.255.255.0. And this is a serial link. So here we have to give another additional command which is called clock rates. Okay, it's a bandwidth speed, clock rate 64,000, and then no shutdown. All right. Now I want to save the configuration. So by pressing Ctrl Z, you can directly go to the privilege mode and give command right. save the configuration. All right. Now here internet, it is what is inter, it is just a router. Okay, it is just a router. So you just have to go to the internet and give hostname and only give IP address. That's it. Enable configure terminal. All right. Host name internet. Okay. And I will go to interface serial, which is the what is the port serial 0/3/0, and IP address is public IP address 193.168.1.255.255.255.0. See, it is like this 255.0, and here we don't need to give clock rate because it is DC DTE. All right, so give command no shutdown. Normally that DCE side will be on service provider, but it's okay in the practical on Cisco packet tracer. Now I want to save the configuration, so Control Z and write. Okay. So in today's practical, in this video, I have only show you how to make this topology, how to configure this topology. So don't forget to watch the next three part, in which I am going to show you what is how to configure static netting, how to configure dynamic netting, and how to configure overload netting in three videos separately, because I have to show you everything in very detail. All right. So thanks for watching and thanks for love and support. And if you want me to make the video like this, then please show your support by sharing, by subscribing our channel, and share this video as much as possible with your friends. Thank you very much.